This is an electric spin scrubber set that the seller sent to me to give an honest review. So I'm going to open this up, show you everything that comes with it, and test it out. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to show you a full unboxing here of everything that comes with it. You have a little carrying case, you have the charger, and then you have the poles here. They're super easy to put together. And I've tested this thing out several times. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you right off the bat, I was incredibly impressed with this. It has absolute great power. And I've tested out many of these before. I was really impressed with the power of this. It's fully waterproof and it comes with all of these different changing pads, and changing them out is so easy. But I like all of the variety of different options like that one there that's good for corners. But again, when I tell you it's powerful, it is powerful. Super easy to charge, has an extended battery life. Now let's test this out. That's what you're waiting for. So see those little streaks right there? That's hard to remove scum. So I'm going to spray my cleaner on it. Use whatever you want. And here we go. It's not very loud, so I didn't find that to be an annoying sound or anything like that. But you guys, I was shocked at how fast and how well this worked as quickly as it did. I mean, you could literally see the scum going away. This is very hard to remove soap scum, okay? And I only use this one pad. I'm going to go back behind it with the bigger one, but I was so impressed with this scrubber. Highly recommend it. I think you guys will absolutely love it. It worked great. You can see that little white spot there. Now I've got to do the rest.